Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. I don't own that music in the background, y'all. All right, here it is. Naomi's third birthday party. Okay. So I'm just here hanging out and stuff like that, you know. I gotta talk loud so y'all can hear me with this loud music. I do not own the music in the background, y'all. Okay? No copyright. No copyright infringement, y'all. Facebook, YouTube, I do not own this. Okay, I'm not claiming it. You know? Yep, party with a purpose, y'all. Party with a purpose, alright? Under the bridge, Kroger's Beef, you name it, you know? Alright, so we gotta think about it, y'all. Everything is good, you know? Okay, I don't own this music, y'all. I don't own this music, y'all, but hey, you know? Alright, so no copyright infringement, y'all. Alright, so we'll see how this goes, okay? And I'm losing my voice, kinda, you know? Alright? Yeah. Alright. Alright. So yeah, though, you know? I don't even know if this is a catch on. Da da da, da da da, da da da. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, nice hug from me. Yeah. All right. All right. I'll be back.